The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
It's plantain and then cassava.
So you boil it first?
Yeah, I boil it, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm come to pour the water from it.
I've never seen anyone make fufu before.
Okay. So, okay.
And this you're making now is contour.
Yeah.
What exactly is contour? I know it's on the... It's one of the 10 dishes I need to try in Ghana. Haven't tried this as yet.
Yeah,
But what exactly is
that's,
it?
you know cocoyam.
Cocoyam.
Cocoyam leaves, yeah.
Okay.
That's cocoyam leaves, yeah.
So it's cocoyam leaves.
Yeah.
Ah,
So the local name we call it contomere.
contour.
Yeah. It's the one that they used to prepare palava sauce.
What sauce?
Palava sauce, you know palava sauce?
No. What is palaver sauce?
Oh, okay. We use contomere to prepare that. The stew.
Stew.
Yeah.
Never heard about that.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
for me, all these dishes are like brand new.
Oh, okay.
Very much brand new. So
Alright.
it's just, you know,
Yeah.
seeing how people do it. How often do you eat fufu?
Yeah, you're going to eat fufu the whole of this week.
So you would say that fufu is like a staple dish in Ghana. Like
Yeah, it's our
each
local-
Ghanaian probably eats
Yes,
fufu
yes.
twice a week at least.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like when you go to some part of the Ghana, it's like there's a Brunga region.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that place every day, every blessed day, they eat fufu. It's one of the best food. Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So again, this is another unplanned video. We haven't been back around there for probably like about 2 days, so I kind of wanted to see what Emmanuel was up to. And of course, we in Jamaica we call this you're running panapat, meaning that you just come at the right time when someone's about to get done cooking or starting to eat or whatever. So Emmanuel right now is working on one of the 10 dishes that I need to try, which is contomere. Contomere? Yeah, so it's called a contomere, just contomere.
Yeah, but the soup is abunabunu. That's how we call it. Like
The soup is what?
abunabunu.
Abunobunu.
Yeah, abunabunu. Yeah.
What is abuno? What exactly is in
Like,
abunobunu?
you see, the color of the contomere is green.
It's green.
So yeah, so green color, like in our local language, we call it like something that's abunabunu. It's like it's
Abunobunu.
yeah, yeah.
Ah,
That's fresh leaves.
fresh
You know,
leaves.
like in the local names like hamono. So for the food, we call it abunabunu because the color is green.
Gotcha.
When you're done, you see that the color of the soup is green. Yeah, it's green in color.
Wow.
That's how we call it abunabunu.
So of course, in probably the first time I had fufu out here in Ghana, I saw a bunch of comments, people telling me that fufu, you should not chew it. You should only swallow and stuff like that. And like I said in previous videos, this is just like a whole new culture for me. I try to do things very organic. I want to come here, I want to make the mistakes and see what's the best way to do things. So yeah, here learning about the different dishes, and you're gonna make the fufu today as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's dry fish.
That's like red herring.
We call it like that's dry fish.
That's dried fish.
Yeah, dry fish. Yeah.
Is that what they put in the shito?
No, I'm going to use it to prepare the soup, the abunabunu.
Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha. Is it smoked?
Yeah,
Those
the smoked one.
smoked
yeah,
and
yeah,
dried.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I know it's human being who drive the pilot that they are human beings, isn't it? Spend some weekend.
Nice.
Yeah. Yesterday I went to farm.
So that was a farming day.
Yeah, we have a farming day in Ghana.
So
Then we've been giving the farmers the best farmer award. The government have been giving them award.
So you plant primarily cassava,
Cassava and plantain.
Nice.
Yeah, that's what I do.
So that's what we're gonna throw into this evening. Yep, brought straight from the farm to make the fufu. Oh, cassava. Yeah, we make bammies back home with that. We have a dish called fried bammy. Yeah, we have a dish back in Jamaica that we make with cassava.
It goes like this?
Yeah, with cassava.
Yeah, wow, okay.
Yeah.
So it means you've been planting cassava in Jamaica?
Yeah, they do. But it's not so popular. So here probably plant a lot more cassava than Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
So we are about to pump the fufu. The fufu that you eat.
Jeez, yo.
See, I have a lot of pictures of the farm. See, I have a lot of pictures. So this place where is my farm. See, one of my friends and I took with my farm.
Nice.
Yeah, this is the farm that I see a lot of food. A friend that is like a brother. This guy is very good. Very, very good.
More than 10 years?
Yeah, it's more than 20 years because it's been a long time.
Wow.
We bought it, you know. So have you been in Akosumo?
No, not as yet.
You have to go there, see. Mosquitoes. So we are about to start how to pump fufu. These are flakes. They have what do you call it? A machine that has been pumping the fufu. But in the real traditional way, this is how we pump fufu.
Traditional way.
Yeah, this is the real. And a lot of people want this more than the machine. Oh, yeah, the pineapple I know about market. In Jamaica, right? That's the language there. That's the
Patois?
language. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, okay.
That's like our dialect, but our main language is English.
Oh, okay.
That's our main language.
Oh.
But yeah, we get to have good English, you know, depending on the school that you go to. So if you go to good schools, then of course your English will be better. Or if just the TV, you know, watching cable TV, there's a lot to learn all the time. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
That's fufu. So that's plantain.
Yeah.
And then cassava.
Many are pretty.
Okay?
Oh, yeah,
No.
No, it's like flour.
Oh, my auntie, I'm sorry. You should have. I forget. It's keep
No, it's not the right one.
Oh, my boy, Juba.
So Ima,
Yeah.
are you sorry? I almost probably made your hand get pounded. Are you not afraid of your hands getting hit?
Oh no.
Has it ever happened before?
No.
No?
Not at all.
Really?
It's been happening for some people.
For some people.
Yeah, it happens.
So
Like
for me,
for him maybe it doesn't, but
Yeah.
we have some people that it happens to them when they are doing it, and even you can't even continue driving the fufu again.
if you don't take care,
Yeah,
if you don't take care,
your hand is going.
But it has to be like a rhythm between the both of you guys, right?
Yeah, you have to concentrate. You know, you don't need to be palming and watch doing another thing. Your mind have to be doing what you are doing. Hey. Small family you want to. This is so tight. It's about the name. I don't know. But Jimmy, I see a very big fridge in the
I notice now you're pounding harder.
Yeah.
So before you were focused on the plantain, did the plantain first, and now to the cassava.
Yeah.
Okay, so in terms of the mixture, what is it? Is it more plantains or more cassava? More cassava?
Yeah, okay, this one you can see the cassava is more than the plantain.
Okay.
Yeah, but you know, some people too, they prefer to use more plantain than the cassava.
More, okay, depends on preference.
Yeah.
So Jilly was asking about, you know, the plantain being sweet. Can it be a little bit sweet or no?
Plantain?
Yeah.
Yeah, when it's ripe, it's very sweet.
So, but would you put that in a fufu or no?
No.
No, never.
When it's sweet, you can't use it for fufu.
Cannot.
No, some people use it like that
Oh,
way.
really?
Yeah.
I've never seen some before.
Yeah, some people, that's what they use.
Okay. So you just sectioned it off. Half of the plantains you put up,
Yeah.
and now you're doing half for this mixture.
Yeah.
Nice. So in the family, because you guys are brothers, right?
Yeah.
Are you the designated pounder? Like, is that your thing, or do you guys?
Oh, I
switch?
don't know how to drive, but I know how to pump.
Okay.
You can drive. But I don't know how to drive, so I don't go there.
Ah.
Yeah. I don't know how to drive, but when the pounding is very easy when the driving. Yeah.
Okay, so because you know how to.
Yeah, but I don't know how to do it like
The
I'm a little scared of my hand. Yeah,
Yeah.
I use my hand for a lot of money.
Oh, yeah, to make the shoes.
Yeah, I don't want to see. But before somebody will pun you, or maybe the person is looking at somewhere, like doing, I'm not concentrating on him. Like when you put it, maybe I don't know that where his finger is. So, you know, before somebody can pun you, yeah. So you have to concentrate about what you are doing. Yeah. Otherwise, your hands will not be yours. Come pun it, it will swallow to something else. Yeah. But you don't need to be scared. If you're scared, it will happen. Yeah, it will happen. You just have to feel free.
Wow, so what kind of this pounding thing? What wood is that? Is there a specific wood that you have to use, or?
Oh, okay.
Yes. Like they have a specific they have a specific wood.
They have a specific wood that they've been using. Yesterday when we went to the farm, a guy cut the wood.
Okay.
So one of my friends is going to crate it for him.
Okay.
Yeah. So they have a special. It's not any tree that you can use it for this. Yeah. We have different trees that you can use it.
And they'll last for years because this thing here is like about
more than 20 years.
More than 20 years.
Yeah. Yeah. It's true. I'm not lying.
I believe
It's
you.
true. 100. It's true. It's been there for ages, man. This one, when you get a good tree, you can last like basically like 3-4 months, 5 months. Yeah.
Okay.
And sometimes when you become you want to be
when it starts spoiling, it's spoiled from here.
from the mouth.
See,
Yeah.
This side will
be
start, coming out.
off. Yeah.
Then you just have to cut it, and then
And just
you really
do it again. If you want it in that way, either you go for the new one or you repair it. So the repair, you cut it and you just
cut this one
off. You have to be rich.
Nice. And it has to be a long stick, right? So it has more weight.
Yeah, probably yes. We have some that is very short.
Okay, you have some shorter ones.
We have short ones, and then we have some that is very heavy.
Yeah.
Big. Yeah. That one is a big restaurant. Yeah.
I also see you wet your hands so it doesn't stick. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're showing us that it can also be a one-person job too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
somebody can, one person can drive.
So it's a constant beating that makes it get very gummy, like sticky.
Yeah.
Are you doing business? Hi. How are you? Where have you?
Guys, because you still buddy.
Cassava and plantain.
They're boiled, yeah. They're boiled.
Boiled plantain, you boil the plantain too?
Yeah.
Amazing.
So Jilly's saying that she is not in her best condition. Neither am I. A big forehead, shiny, everything, but I don't care because this is just like, for me, it's like a first in a lifetime experience for myself, and I want to show you guys, like, you know, where these foods are coming from. And like I mentioned before, it adds a different appreciation, because before, when you're just eating fufu, when you're just like, yo, what is this exactly? Now that I'm seeing how the food is made, it just heightens how it, I don't know how my taste buds are going to interpret it, because now I get why it has that, you know, that texture, the constant beating. I see how much work that goes into it. It's a work of art, if you ask me. It's coming from nothing to become something that is a staple dish here in Ghana. Wow.
You want to try?
Oh, now I got boom boom like that already. Ready?
Yeah, go. You go. You go.
Put your finger.
You have to, it's a rhythm.
Yeah. You go. You go. Don't worry about me. You go. You found it.
Guys, me I make fufu. Yeah. African no. Yeah. 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 I'm afraid me chop him finger.
Oh no, you don't check my finger.
No, you don't need to stand like that.
You have to just be flexible, you know.
When you are standing,
you
just have to, you don't need to open your head. You know, you have to stand like this. You see?
just be flexible.
And relax. You know,
Just relax, then.
see how I'm doing it. It's very easy. When you do like this, it's like you are too serious, too anxious, you know? You got tired early. When you do like this, you can use one hand like this.
And let the weight of the stick fall.
Yeah, anytime you have to be in the middle. Yeah, just put it in the middle. Put it in the middle like that. See? So he's gonna drive. Huh. You're not been training. You have to get you gotta your pump. You're not been training, you see. Other than that, I'll take you to my farm one of these days. Yeah.
So you're saying
So,
some people like the different textures.
Yes.
So,
It
Mom.
depends. You know, some people
So, Mom.
like it this way.
Let me show
Right now,
you.
you see.
Come, come.
It's okay for someone. You see, you can just. Yeah, it's okay for someone. You just Some people too like it to be very soft.
Very soft.
Yeah. For us like this, we prefer it to be soft.
The berries from the palm for palm oil.
Yeah, sweet already.
One of the TP.
I'm a hard net, bro. Let me kill you, Mike.
With this knocking going on, it's just, you could feel like, as far as I am from the whole Marta thing, you can feel like the earth just shaking. It's like a consistent driving energy that one mistake from Ima, nothing. So this is Obono Bono.
Yeah.
And it's with the contumar.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. That's the dry fish and then the fresh salmon. Yeah.
So that goes with the fufu.
Yes.
Nice. Remember that song? Finger mash no cry. Remember play we are play. Yeah, that's what it is.
Red and black. And me turn man mix red and black at the same time. With one slippers, yeah. Well, in your choose more community will turn after the red and black. What size say, bro?
Almost done. I want you to try before I.
Alright, I will.
Yeah, I'll find a query.
Alright, let me.
Oh, okay,
come in there and try.
Another color.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, ready.
No, like leather, okay, another leather.
You go.
Oh, keep going.
You go. You can see now it's really soft.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
It feels almost like there's a bit of air into it, kind of gummy.
Yeah.
So do you put salt in it or anything? Salt or anything in it?
Salt. Okay. If you like, you can add salt. Like when you're boiling it.
Yeah.
Boiling the cassava.
Oh, yeah.
You can just add salt. Yeah. For preservation.
Oh.
So this one I added some small salt.
A little bit of salt.
Yeah. So this. If you couldn't finish this tomorrow morning, you can still eat it.
But you're gonna finish
It won't get
this.
spoiled.
But you're gonna finish this tonight.
I don't think so. Because they are the only two people with eyeing him alone. You see, I left some of the cassava and this thing.
Yeah, so you can make a little bit.
This week from Monday to fufu is
You
one
know,
of
after this fufu, I'm going to prepare palava sauce.
Tonight.
Fufu is one
Yes,
of
we're
the-
there for it, bro.
Palava sauce.
Palapa
Fufu
sauce.
is one of the
You see, I was already.
traditional food
So
in
that I'm
Ghana.
happy
That
about the job.
almost 90% want life fufu. Yeah, the whole Ghana, almost 90% life fufu.
Yeah.
So it's one of the food that people doesn't joke with it at all.
Or you
Put
put
up.
kenke.
Oh, kenke is there, but a lot of people like fufu more than kenke.
Of course, I can see why.
Yeah. So people doesn't joke with fufu at all. A lot of people doesn't joke with it.
So as Jelly was mentioning just now, when I made my first fufu, it was with cassava flour, which was a lot trickier than this. This process is, how can I say, it's a little bit more time consuming, but you get the chance to, you know, mold the fufu the way that you want to. On the internet, you can find fufu being done the microwave version, which I think it's really hard to do it that way. And then you can do the slow boil on the pot version with the cassava flour. This is beautiful, man. You did a great job with that, bro. Your mom would be proud. And it goes to speaking about moms. Who taught you how to make fufu?
That's my mom.
Mom,
Yeah.
of course. Why? It's always the moms that teach us how to cook, right?
Yeah, like when I was a kid, I used to, you know, be with my mom always. I'm with my mom, so when she's cooking, then I'll learn from here.
Nice. Yep.
You wanna try it?
Mom, come there.
So I washed my hands.
You can feel it, you see.
Wow.
We come to Jamaica.
Very soft. Wow. You did a good job on this, man. Good job.
This side small.
This is a palm brush.
Yeah.
We are completely the same people because just hearing the sound of the brush, it sounds like back home on a Sunday morning by your granny, where she'll tell us that you have to go to there and sweep up the trash or whatever the case is. That's exactly what it is. They're using this palm brush, so it's made with the leaves of the palm tree, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So they just put it together and just make a little broom. Yo, just the sound alone just takes me right back.
Oh, oh, my guy.
Yep.
Oh, let's see the fufu.
Oh, nice.
This is green. Haha, after she can't give me cover. I go pay you a boa. See, so right now we are good to go. I know one blend. We are soon. Yeah, for someone to man. More than you do. I don't mind here when I will be there. Also, yeah, food is ready. Okay, now food now ready.
Yeah.
So let's join the African dish.
So yeah, you have to try it though.
Of course, I will try.
But
I'm gonna
is
wash
there
my
try
hands
eat
and-
fufu before?
Yeah.
Go and go.
I never had fufu from Ima, but today we will try. I have one question. I see like the seeds from the plantain in this fufu, but I don't normally see it in the restaurant. Is it a different way they make it, or?
The seed.
Yeah, the tiny seeds.
Yes. The thing is, you see, this one
Mhm.
is just like, this is locally, you know, made.
Locally made.
Yeah, but you know, at restaurant, like some people, like we have a machine that they'll go and blend it.
A machine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have some machine that they will just, when they, after boiling the cassava and the plantain, they will go and blend it from the machine, with the
Okay.
machine there.
Also, the seeds get blended out and everything.
Yes. You see the
Understood.
blend, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna wash my hands and try a little bit of this fufu.
But this is the real fufu, you know.
What's the soup called again?
Abunabunu.
Abono.
Yeah.
Green, green.
Green,
Yeah.
green. Oh, that's what it means.
Yeah.
Green.
Yeah.
Abono.
Yeah.
Wow. See how we eat it? Okay, do you want spoon?
No.
Oh no, you see.
Okay, try it.
I'll be fine. Okay, so it's a little chop.
Yeah, it's already, that's it. Yeah.
Ah! But it's too small. It's too tiny.
Too tiny. Bigger piece.
Big, you have to, you're a man, you have to eat big.
You see my own.
See?
Yeah.
Your wife said when you go to Jamaica, we'll fix them for you. Yeah, so indeed,
Dry fish.
you come from Ghana. Your sisters come from here, so you have to know how to look. Salmon, we anticipate.
And this is the fresh one.
Mm-hmm.
See, you don't need to do your hand like fork.
That's what someone taught me. They're like, yo, cut it like a scissors.
You have to, you see how we use our hand to cut it. You have to do it like this, you know.
Okay.
This guy,
You see?
he wants to be Ghanaian.
I am Ghanaian. What you talking about?
He wants to be Ghanaian.
That is Ghanaian.
Ah, what soup is that?
Buno buno.
That's
the
contemporary.
drink.
Ah, okay.
It's
okay,
contemporary.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure.
See.
Yeah.
Come and try it.
Alexa, state security.
Hmm?
And add some soup.
Front door needs buttons. Do you want to arm your system anyway?
Yes.
No, you do. The second you have to do it like that. You cut.
Your primary residence is armed in stay mode. Front door was bypassed. And you have 120 seconds to
You know,
exit.
this fufu is smoother than the other ones I've had.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot easier to swallow this
Yeah,
one.
we add our strengths too. That's right. The strength is very.
So you pounded the fufu already?
Yeah.
Wow, that was fast.
So you go. I want to teach how you.
Mm-hmm.
So you
See,
go.
it's
You
like
see
the
your
way
hand like
the way he's doing it is okay. You see, you just do it this way. You cut
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, that's how my boy showed me how to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you want me to go for a bigger cut.
So did you guys wash your hands before you?
Yeah.
It's like you guys are sharing germs.
Oh my god.
That's how I see it, man.
Oh.
I'll eat fufu with a spoon.
Yeah.
But we don't eat fufu with a spoon.
No.
Well, that's
In a
the
local way,
Mm-hmm.
you eat kenke with spoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. But in a real way, you have to eat.
I'm
with
glad
your-
that you said that, because some people, they see the videos and they say the same thing like he would say.
Yeah.
But this is how it's done here.
Yeah,
This
is
has
the
been
local
done
way you have to-
for years. You know? When I go back home, of course I eat with my knife and fork and
Yeah.
all that, but I'm here. I'm gonna experience it.
What's up?
You can even do
Pinch,
it like this.
you know?
You can do it like this too. Yeah, it's all too.
Pepper, you mean?
No, pepper is okay.
Don't chew, just swallow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just swallow.
Oh.
Hey, Molly gave you this shirt.
It's harder for you to swallow.
Mm-hmm. It tastes good though, but
I think it's
I have to chew my food. I can't bother with this swallow thing.
You have to swallow it. Or you can chew it too. Some people chew it.
swallow.
But the swallow is faster.
Yeah.
It tastes good.
Are you okay?
I've had it before, right? You know what tastes better for you though?
Theirs tastes better, right?
Yeah, it does.
Definitely. So I'm super happy that Radcliffe was able to point out something that I know there are some people who are the same way. For example, see, us putting our hands in, my hands are washed, everybody's hands is washed, but of course, from the Western world, a lot of us are germophobes for rightful reasons. We just, especially during these times, now everybody's been watching out and whatever. But, being here, what I tell people is all about like respecting the culture. And if you don't want to do a particular thing, you don't have to. So I think a couple of videos back, we actually went to a friend by Radcliffe, and I never used my hands. And the reason I never used my hands, even though I had my own separate bowl, the soup was really hot. So I went for the spoon and I ate. So that's not a problem. If you want to come to Ghana, you don't want to use your hands, that is also okay. Bring your spoon. Nowadays they have, what you call it? Like travel spoons, knives and forks. You can bring those. Come enjoy the food nonetheless. But if you want to feel what it feels like, and you're possibly a germaphobe, probably grab your own bowl and you could do it. But, we were just around here, the guys are having their dinner, and, they're so kind to say, hey, yo, come on, join in. Back where I'm from, or even the US, people don't really share much. Everybody's very selfish. They want to only cook their own meals. They want their success to only be for them. So being in Ghana and experiencing this for me, I appreciate it.
Eating fufu, sweating.
Alright guys, so just got back into our little place right quick, and Jilly is going to mess up some KFC right now. So I guess you can concur. After that video where we did review the KFC, it's pretty good. Yeah, so we had it ordered in. We use an app called Glovo, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I'm gonna end off today's video here. It was really cool catching Emma cooking and to also be offered up a little bit of his dinner for today. It was really good. I am getting even more and more into fufu. Yes, it's a little bit strange having to cut the food and swallow without chewing. It's a little bit different for us, but it's getting better and better. And that's the thing about traveling. You get accustomed to the things that are customary here. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link. Oh, before I forget, Emma is supposed to be making something in the morning tomorrow, some palm nut soup. So I'm gonna go try to catch him, do that. Hopefully I can wake up in time. Now, I'm really gone.